consistency is everything on TikTok. The more often you post, the more chances you have to ride trends, get discovered, and grow an audience. But let's be real. Keeping up is exhausting. Writing, filming, and editing every day can quickly lead to burnout. That's why short-based AI is such a game changer. Instead of spending hours on one video, you just share an idea, like three money-saving hacks or facts about animals. The AI creates the full TikTok for you. It handles the script, the voice, the caption, and even posts visuals that match. In just minutes, you have a ready to post TikTok without showing your face or learning editing software. And because it's so fast, you can actually stay consistent. Posting daily or even multiple times a day becomes possible. If you want to stay consistent on TikTok without burning out, sign up using my link in the description and start creating with short based AI.